Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Cadillac Ambulance made by Greenlight in a Precision collection in 1:18 scale. But before we unbox it, please don't forget to give me your like, to subscribe my channel, to share my video, and to click the bell for news. So let's go on. Well, once we've unboxed the Cadillac, we can take a better look at it. That's a very nice ambulance that's made by Greenlight and Precision collection. I've shown a 1956 Chevy before. It's from the same collection, the same company. It was acquired by Greenlight, and it's got a very good quality as long as it concerns the exterior and the interior. This car doesn't have an engine, so the hood is sealed. It doesn't open. This rear door doesn't open, but it's really well made, and so it looks like a real door. It's not really just a piece cast in metal. It's very well made. The front door, the driver's door actually, opens and we can see the interior, which is very well detailed. That's an automatic car. You can see the automatic transmission. We can see the dashboard, the air conditioner, ham radio, and all equipment that's supposed to be in an ambulance. We can see those tiny levers, probably for the vent windows, which are fixed in this model. All handles, door panels, and all that stuff that's supposed to be in a car. Windshield wipers, which are two separate pieces. They're very well made. The sirens, the ambulance plate here at the top. This top siren right there. The front of a car, which is very well made. It's not actually a grille, but it really simulates a 1966 Cadillac grille. I really like those 65 to 68 Cadillacs. They're very nice. This front kind of reminds me of the Ford Galaxy. Cadillac badge with a V-shaped logo right here. That's typical from Cadillacs. The blinkers, which is actually a piece of acrylic. The bumper, which is perfect. The wheels and tires, which are very well made. Passenger door, as we open here, we can see all details that are supposed to be in the interior. The seats, which are very realistic, as well as the dashboard, as we've seen before. The interior, as we look here, we can see the floor that kind of reminds me a house floor that must be a washable, since this car could be a little dirty depending on the victim that is going to be taken to a hospital. And this back door that is actually openable. We can see the hinges right there. This one is a mock-up only. We can see all equipment that's supposed to be inside, the floor, and cylinders, valves, and all cabinets that are supposed to be in an ambulance. So this is a very nice 60s ambulance, and a very nice car to have in a collection. Those rear lights right here, the tail lights, the Cadillac tail lights, which look very nice. And last but not least, the bottom of the car, which is not as perfect as the ones we see in the other brands. This is quite simple since the car is all sealed. It's all cast in plastic. We can see the chrome muffler. Front and rear suspensions are basically mock-ups. Front wheels actually steer, and the engine is just a mock-up really. It's no real engine since the engine bay is not visible, but still a very nice car and a very nice model to have in a 1:18 diecast collection. This car is really gigantic. That's gorgeous. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, for subscribing my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and comments below, to share this video, and to click the bell for news. I thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.